Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's just do a workshop tour and let's come in first. Okay. First off, what I have is a Benpack lift, which is probably my pride and joy. It's a XP 10,000 LP, which is the low profile arms that are on here. This has been installed at the closer of the two widths. I wish it was wider, but my trusses were too low, so here we have it. But it is an AL certified lift, which is the only ones I looked at. And this one at the time from ASC Deals was right at what, $2,900. Currently it's $5,900 for the exact same lift. So the prices have gone up dramatically, and basically yeah, lift prices are crazy right now. But this is, when you see me working on cars, this is my back saver. It has paid itself over and over again for what it does. Over there I have my TIG machine, my oil drain that you've seen me use, my press, my welding table, work table, whatever, small table. I do have a little work section here, my toolbox and shelves, the general cart, the green cart that you've seen the small MIG that I've used. I have the acetylene torch, the cherry picker, the transmission jack, which I got secondhand, great deal, and the plasma cutter slash the new spot welder. We'll get a video on that very soon. And then some miscellaneous project. This is my clean tank, which I also use as a stand. Yeah, so basically that is the short tour, and basically the other side of the garage is pretty much storage right now, and we get to go outside. But again, quick tour of the shop, pretty much where I get all the work done in. And you know, of course, a nice bench grind, the grinder with the wire wheel. Use it constantly. I have my 80-gallon compressor, the door out, and then just supply shelves. And again, this is just the basic shop. I don't do any type of heavy work like you've seen the videos. I do basically pretty light work, so I don't really need anything more than this. But it does allow me to service everything that I want, and take care of everything that I might need to. So again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and hey, enjoy it. Take care now.